Hello everyone, my name is Wei Liu Lai, and I am from City University, Malaysia. The topic of my speech is examining the effect of sport education model on dance instruction at Basel University. Research background and significance. Research background. In recent years, the sport education model has received extensive attention and application worldwide. Sport education model originated in the field of physical education. Its core concept is to combine educational activities with adult competitive experiences through seasonal teachings, test affiliations, official competition, results recording, celebration activities, and results displays, thereby enhancing student participation, learning interest, and skill mastery ability. Research significance. Introducing sport education model into dance courses can not only enhance the interactivities and interest of the classroom, but also possibly improve students' skill mastery level and creative expression ability. However, at present in domestic university, especially in the dance courses of Basel University, the application of sport education model is still in the exploratory stage. Literature review. The literature review is divided into three points in order: research on teaching concepts and methods of dance in physical education, research on student motivation, gender and psychological developments in dance education, research on higher education and technologies assisted dance teaching. Research methods. Research design. This study adopts the methods research design, combining quantitative research and qualitative research to comprehensively explore the application of the sport education model in the dance teachings of Basel universities and its influence on students' participation, skill development, and teaching methods. Research subjects and samples. The specific sample size plan is as follows: 10 teachers, 60 students, and 5 administrators staff. These sample designs not only ensures the statistical analysis basis of the questionnaire data but also enables the acquisition of sufficient depth information through interviews. Research results. In terms of skill acquisition and learning outcomes, the vast majority of students believe their taking the sport education model course can effectively promote the improvement of dance movements, skill, and artistic levels. According to Figure 1, from the student satisfaction rate various aspects, it can be noted that the introduction of the sport education model has a positive promoting effect on students' learning experience. Moreover, the addition of this model not only advances student skill levels and classroom participation, but also strengthens the sense of cooperation and learning enthusiasm among student youth. According to Figure 2, it can be noted that among student satisfaction with the school's curriculum models, 35% very satisfied, 14% are satisfied, 15% are neutral, while the proportions of dissatisfied and very dissatisfied are 7% and 3% respectively. Overall, students are satisfied with the educational model, but more than 10% of them are dissatisfied. This figure is also not to be ignored. According to the correlation graph of classroom participation of skill mastery in Figure 3, as well as the correlation graph of teamwork and overall satisfaction. Research results. Research discussion. This study, through an empirical investigation of the application effect of the sport education model of Basel University in dance courses, systematically evaluated the impact of this model on students' classrooms participation, learning interests, skill mastery, teamwork, and overall satisfaction. Research data clearly shows that compared with the traditional teaching models, the student-centered, task-driven, and team-based learning environments created by sport education model can significantly stimulate student learning initiative and intrinsic motivation and create a positive classroom atmosphere. Thank you. Thank you everyone.